subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Nokia has finally launched the successor of Nokia G10 smartphone in the US called Nokia G20. Talking about the specifications, the Nokia G20 features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a V-shaped notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone supports a quad camera setup in a circular module at the top center, including LED flash. The quad rear camera includes one 48-megapixel main camera along with the 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the Nokia G20 is powered by MediaTek Helio G35 chipset, paired with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 11 out of the box, and it packs with 5050 mAh battery that supports 10W charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with dedicated Google Assistant button for better voice control. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.9 by 76 by 9.2 mm, and it weighs around 197 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Nokia G20 has been priced in the US at $199, and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from July 1st in night blue and glacier white color options. So what do you guys think of this Nokia G20 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.